Girl, why you keep crying?
And I couldn't get out.
Well, you crying and I can hear you all up in my window. You need to lower it down. Oh, you ashy girl. Why you going swimming? It ain't even hot. Huh?
It was hot. I came with my sister and I done got in and she was getting out.
Well, my window right over there. Y'all gonna have to lower that down one good time. Where Diamond at?
Trying to get the key.
You got the key? Just hop over.
I can't.
Girl, if you don't put your foot, let me see. Come put your foot right here. Okay, I can see it right here. No, right here.
Oh.
Okay, now stand up on it. Grab on that, stand up on it. Put your foot right here. Put your foot right here.
I can't reach it.
Girl, come on. Girl, come on. Put your foot right there. Pull up. 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 Girl, if you make me drop my phone. Here, let me see. Hold on. Let me be the savior. Okay. Hold on. Okay, let me see. Give me your feet. Damn, girl, your feet dirty. Give me the other one. Girl, what are you doing?
Oh my God.
Oh my God, sick. Hey, but I don't know how you finna get out, but I'm finna go up in the house, alright? But just stop yelling, cause, you know, my window like right there, and I need you yelling. Alright? Alright. Nice talking to you. Bye.